What's up, my nerds? Welcome back to Drinking Nerdy, where we drink and talk nerdy. Today, we're having Sangria Wars.
Yep. I know that I make an amazing sangria, but Gus thinks he can do better.
I don't think I can do better, Jane. I know I can do better.
Well,
So, it's just a friendly feud,
just a little bit.
which might get violent, because Jane's very competitive and aggressive, so...
That's me, so aggressive.
No, but I'm just of the school that I think sangrias should be red sangrias, man. You know what? It's something about the red wine becoming something more than it actually is. Little liquor, little wine, exotic fruits, spices. It's amazing for a hot summer day, spring, even winter if you want it warm.
Fair enough. I enjoy red sangria, but there are so many different sangria possibilities. So,
Yeah.
let's make some drinks.
Versus. Let's go. What's up, my nerds? For my fight against Jane, I'm gonna make a 1-cup Spanish-ish sangria. Let's get started. 1 chunk ginger. We're gonna juice a blood orange straight into our shaker. We're gonna muddle the ginger in there just to get a little sweet and spicy vibe. Alright, the original recipe calls for some brandy, but we use cognac because all cognacs are brandy. We're gonna do about 1 shot. Half an ounce of citrus liqueur, it could be triple sec, whatever. I'm using the Napoleon for this. Cubes. You shake. Alright, I put some sliced up blood oranges inside the cup and then fill it up with ice to keep it in place. It's gonna make it look nice. But it doesn't matter. What matters is that I can get sober. Hijo de puta. Nah. Let's pour it. And to top it off, I have a sparkling sweet Italian wine because it gives it, you know, spring starting. And you know, I got that bubbly. Let's just top it off with a bunch of this vino. And there you have it, my nerds. My red Spanish-ish sangria. Pa!
Alright, nerds, I'm going a little non-traditional with the sangria, so come join me. Alright, we're gonna start off with 1/4 of a lime. 1 strawberry cut up. And we're gonna squeeze 1/4 of an orange in here. A handful of mint, about 8 pieces. And we're gonna muddle. We do half an ounce of peach schnapps. Ice. And shake it. We're gonna put a slice of lime and orange in the bottom of the glass. And we're going to double strain over the ice so you don't get any big chunks of mint or strawberry in there. And then we're gonna top this one with Moscato. This is kind of a semi-sweet Moscato, not super sweet. I'm gonna fill it up about halfway. And for a little extra bubbles, you can add Sprite if you like it really sweet, or sparkling water. I'm just adding a little orange sparkling water on top. Throw some pieces of strawberry in there. And you can have a lot of fun with the garnishes. I'm gonna put some lime and orange and fresh mint. Cheers, nerds. All right, well, cheers, my friend.
Salud. And salute to you, you freaking nerds.
Happy Sangria Day.
Yes, happy Sangria War Day. Sangria Wars. That's what
This
I'm
is-
wearing. That, well, let me try my sangria first of all. Oh yeah, that's money. That's money, dude.
Would you like to try mine?
Yes, let's.
Switcheroo.
We need to bring a judge for this next time.
Yeah, we do. Ooh, that came
I
out
like
pretty
yours.
good. I like the ginger note in there.
Yours
Gives
is
a
so
little spice.
refreshing. Holy crap! Oh my god, this is so good. I think I might have lost this war, but this is really good. It's like, oh fuck, I can just be outside and chug like a pitcher to myself. It's amazing.
Yeah, I have to say I like yours, but I'm not gonna lie, I like mine more.
Yeah, look, it's really good. It's really good. I like mine because I'm more of a red wine kind of guy. The same with sangrias, and just like the whole thing with the cognac. Again, like I say, all cognac is brandy, but not all brandy is cognac. Blood orange, ginger, sparkling, red. It's amazing. Well, to each their own, I guess.
That's fair.
What's up with that? Like, why don't you want to like explain like the cognac brandy thing or no? We can do that later in another episode.
I can do that in like a Drinking Nerdy University kind of thing.
Hey. Well, what is your verdict, Jane?
I feel like I won this.
Out of 10 sangrias, how many sangrias you give yourself?
8.5. I give you a 7.
I give you a 9 out of 10
Oh.
sangrias.
Thank you.
And I give myself 1 million sangrias.
Somebody's a realist and somebody isn't.
I'm a sour loser.
Well,
Speaking of losers, Jane, sorry.
what?
You lost the game, suckers.
Well, let us know what your favorite type of sangria is and which sangria you would rather be drinking right now.
Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, share a comment. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok.
We'll see you next time, nerds.
Salud.